Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Riding Custom. As you can see, today is infrastructure day. We have figured out that we have entirely too many vehicles and nowhere to put them. And my driveway is starting to look like, a car lot from the 60s. So what we did is we added to our back fence. See the old convertible Volkswagen back there. We've added 24 feet from, you can see where the stain starts on the pillars. This is all new fencing we put up today. Stabbed in the 4x4s, concreted them, gave them most of the day to dry. They were pretty good. See, before, right here, the gate, and we have barely enough room for a Volkswagen convertible. So now we've taken that down, added all of this fencing, which is about 24 feet, all the way to here, which is awesome. So that's all in, ready to rock. Next, we got all these slats, 2x4s and whatnot. We're gonna build two big gates here, and then we'll stain everything to match. But that'll be tomorrow. So yeah, so that's kind of what we've been doing here today, trying to find a place to put all this shit. I think what's gonna happen, that Volkswagen convertible is gonna get cut in half. It is absolutely garbage. There's probably not a usable piece on it. It is rusted. You cut one piece out and the piece behind it's rusted even worse than the one you just cut out that you were going to replace. It's just not worth anybody's time. So we're going to cut that in half, take it to the scrapyard, hopefully get something for it. And then I think I'm going to keep the doors, the hood, the hatch, and the transmission. That's it. Everything else goes. And then what'll happen is that trailer will come all the way in, and then the Apache will come in here, and that should take most of this, and that'll clear up the driveway quite a bit. Now when the 40 gets done, whenever that happens, and gets out of here, and the Apache goes in the garage, we'll probably bring the Chrysler 300 and put it over here just to keep the driveway clear. So it's kind of the idea. But just to give you guys an update of what we're doing today, it's, it kind of has to do with cars. It's somewhere to put cars. So we gained 24 feet today. So we basically have a open air, one car garage that's probably 36 foot long. So that's kind of what we got. But that's what we're doing. Haven't done a whole lot on the cars today. To be completely honest, it's just real hot. After doing all of this and going to Home Depot and Lowe's and getting all the stuff and then bringing it and putting it together, we're pretty beat. So I think we're going to call it a day. And I'm actually going to go ahead and shut this. I had this door open. It was so hot. I was afraid it was going to melt shit inside of it. Same with the Apache. Just don't want them getting hot and having any more issues than you need to have. But tomorrow we're going to do the gate, and then I am absolutely, no matter what, going to start sanding that firewall and get that where it needs to be, ready for another coat of primer, and then probably move inside. And I got to do the front panel, but I mean, it's brand new, so I just got to scuff it up. So that's what we're going to do. That's where we're at. Appreciate you guys watching, liking, and subscribing, and should have some more content for you tomorrow, maybe tonight. Tomorrow I might do a couple more shorts on a couple things here, and hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching Brown's Riding Custom.